Oh, ooh, they've done it again. Glossbox, really? One, it's okay. Two, it's too much. And three, it's overkill. Three of the same products, it is overkill, you guys. Why three products? Glossbox. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to today's video. In this one, I'm going to go ahead and show you some goodies. I have over here my two boxes from Glossbox that I ordered during Black Friday. And why are they late? Glossbox, why are my boxes just arriving just now? But anyway, I'm here to show you guys the goodie that we have in here. Now, these were called mega out of this world sale, and I ended up buying two boxes. These came at a bundle. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's inside. Actually, I will just unbox one because we don't want this video to be too long, and the other one I will unbox it in the next video. So let's begin with this one here, and you can see just how, just how festival this is. And by the way, both those boxes were retailing for 15 euro. That's how much I bought both of them for. So we are going to go ahead and have a look what's in this box here. And this one here, from the top, it says Festival Frenzy 2019. So that is how it looks like. I love the the festival packaging going on here, and also the back. I think this is something different. I don't think this one is from Germany, just based on how it looks like, because I mean I do receive my Glossbox German every month, so this have to be from another country. And let's find out. So inside it looks like this. You can see it right there already. So and opening this and taking that out. All right, so we can see straight away this box is from Sweden, you guys. We have a card over here, and right on this side here, actually on this side here, we can see they do have the Sweden Glossbox info there. So yeah, this one is from Sweden, which is quite interesting. So I cannot wait to see what we have in this one. All right, let's go ahead, unpack it and see what kind of goodies we have, because already the packaging looks inviting, so bright, and I'm thinking the product might be a little bit wild, and I cannot wait. All right, anyway, and I believe behind this card it should be all the product that I have in this box, and I really don't want to look because I want this to be a surprise. So we're gonna pop the card aside and let's just jump into the opening of this, shall we? Hold on, this sticker have to come off. It's always like really stuck there, I already all right, it's out. Something smells nice in here too. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh, they've done it again. Glossbox, really? All right, anyway, so you guys, hold on, let me just start putting the products here, shall we? The first product that I see in this box is the one that I actually like. I don't mind, and this one is from Dr. Botanicals. It is their pomegranate superfood regeneration sleeping mask, which, if you have seen my last unboxing video from Glossbox, you will realize that this product was in that video, in that box, by the way. So this is how it looks like. It is a lovely, sleeping mask. I don't mind having it, but I mean, why again? Hold on, I actually show you mine. I actually have like 3 from Glossbox, and I mean, this is from this box. 1, it's okay. 2, it's too much. And 3, it's overkill. 3 of the same products, it is overkill, you guys. Why 3 products? Glossbox shouldn't have sent me something else. I just had this in my last box, and now you are sending me another one. 3, it's overkill, you guys. All right, anyway, we have that other first product, which is quite interesting because with mystery boxes, you just never know what kind of products are inside. It could be something that you already have, and that's just, you know, the beauty of it. But anyway, let's move on to the next product that I don't have, and this one here is from Rituals. I do love their products, you guys, and it is of course the Ritual of Kama, and it says here, do good and good will come to you. Do good and good will come your way. I actually believe in that. And this one is the Gratitude Hand Lotion, and it does have SPF 15 in it. Wow, okay, I actually am interested already in this product. So this is how it looks like from Rituals, of course, the hand cream, and it says here it is organic white tea and ginkgo biloba. Okay, so I've never had this product here. I've had one hand cream from them before, and it was like in a ready packaging, but this one is something new, so I'm interested in definitely trying this one here. How does that smell like? Do you know what? This is actually the product that was like, you know, smelling here, because I can feel there's something, you know, like, you know, some kind of a scent going on in here, but this is actually the one, and it actually smells quite lovely. I'll pop some there. Just apply this all over my hand. Oh, that smells beautiful, you guys. Me, I love hand creams, especially when my hands are so dry. That smells amazing. All right, so hand cream from Rachel. I'm happy with this product here because I use a lot of hand creams anyway. So let's move on to the next product, and this one is, oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay, we have some stuff. Oh, it is from Pop Up Beauty, and it's their Pure of Glitter Gel Mask. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look how glittery that looks like in there. Wow, that is so pretty. It is a glitter, you know, a gel peel-off mask. Okay, that is interesting. Of course it is sealed, as you can see there. So this is beautiful, but I will definitely give this one away. I know somebody who is going to enjoy this glittery mask, and I will definitely pass it to them. So that is beautiful. Yeah, I do love the glitterness that comes with this one here. So yeah, from our Pop-Up Beauty, a glitter pure mask. All right, let's move on to the next product here, and this again I already have. And this one here did not really come in my gloss box. It's something that I purchased separate myself from Beauty Bay, and it's from Dr. Popo, and it's their multi-purpose soothing balm with natural popo, and it is for lips, for cheeks, and for cosmetics finishes with a hint of tint, of course, which is this one here. Now I have this one already. I'll show you mine. I have it here. I'm pretty sure it's the same product. So there you go, we have two right there. So yeah, definitely the other one I will give it away. As you can see, both are the same, and yeah, it is actually, you know, it's not too bad. You can use it like for more than, you know, one purpose. You can use it for your lips, for your cheeks, you know, for anything that you feel like you can use it. So I'll quickly just show you how mine looks like, because I have already opened mine. Hold on, let me just quickly show you how the color looks like. So this is the new one. It's still sealed. I'm not going to touch that one, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the one that I already opened before. So let's put a little bit on here so I can show you how the color looks like. So it is this color right here. It's more like a reddy, you know, kind of color, and that is how it looks like. So yeah, that is that product there already. Let's just get rid of that. And next in this box we have, of course, a product that happens to be an energy boost. Okay, shake well. All right, so this is how the packaging looks like. First of all, I'll show you. It is more like a drink, looks like this. I've never heard of this before. It is one boost of, that's what it says here. It is apple and lime, the flavor apple and lime, and it says energy in minutes, focus for hours. Okay, and it is from Caris Natural. All right, so yeah, we are getting 60 milliliters of product in here. You can just shake well and drink that one to boost your energy. So that is that. And what else we have in here? Our last product happens to be a deep cleansing pore strip. Okay, those one, they are the one that you pop on your nose, I believe, you know, and then just like rip it off. So it's one of those that we got in here. There's only one inside, and this one is from Biore, if that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, it is, you know, you just it's one inside. What you do is you take it off, put it where, you know, where your pores are, and then you try to get rid of it, and that should help. It says at the bottom here, instantly unclog pores by removing dirt, oil and blackheads, and contains one nose strip in here, which is quite nice. I mean, for sample, I've never tried from this brand this particular product, but I have tried their other product as well. So yeah, that is everything which was in this, and we are getting like a coupon or some kind of a voucher here from Rachel that you can use. And of course something here, of course, from this company. They've got like a different flavor that you can see there. So the one I have is the green one, and they've got the yellow one there as well. So that was everything in this box, you guys. As you can see, it is definitely empty, and I have to say that I'm quite happy with some products in here, like of course the hand cream. I'm happy with the glitter gel pillow. Of course, this one here, not so much. I wasn't really expecting this in the, you know, in this box, but we have an energy drink in here. So yeah, and also this product here again, I mean, I cannot you know, say much about it because it's something that I purchased before, you know, on my own without being included in GLOSSYBOX, and this is, I think, the first time that I am receiving it in this GLOSSYBOX box. But also, it's not a bad product as well. And even the mask, even though I'm a little bit disappointed that I have this one again in this box, especially after I have unboxed it in my, you know, my other video before, and altogether I have 3 of these now from GLOSSYBOX. I just wish that they could have, you know, put something different, you know, in this box. But again, this box comes from Sweden, so it's not really directly from Germany, and those are the products that were being packed in this box. So overall, you can't really complain much, can we? Yeah, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which products from this box, you know, attracts you the most. Which one do you like the most, and what do you think of the whole entire 3 products of repeat? All right, but yeah, that's it. I will go ahead and unbox, of course. Let me just take this one here in my upcoming video so that we can see what's in this one. Hopefully this will be packed with some new products, because this looks like from, you know, from here, from Germany. I hope so, that the product will be different. But anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed, and also subscribe to the channel if you're not done so already, and ring your bell so you're notified when I upload a new exciting video. And also leave a comment down below, even saying hi. That will really help my channel a lot more than you know. So yeah, lots of love. Go have a good one. Take care, and I shall catch you all lovely people on my next video. Bye for now.